How to copy directories recursively in Linux. In this tutorial, you will learn how to copy a directory and everything inside it. To copy a directory recursively, use the cp command with the lowercase r option. The lowercase r option means recursive. The basic syntax is simple. cp space -r space source directory space destination. Let us see one example. Open the terminal. Now list the contents of the current directory. In the output, we have a directory named projects. The projects directory contains files and subdirectories. We are going to copy the complete projects directory into a directory named backup. Run the following command. cp space -r space projects space backup. Press enter. When the command is successful, Linux normally does not display any message. Run ls backup. In the output, you can see the projects directory. The directory and everything inside it have been copied into backup. Please observe this carefully. If the destination directory does not already exist, the source directory is copied using the destination name. For example, run the following command. cp space -r space projects -copy. Run ls again. In the output, you can see projects-copy. It contains a copy of the projects directory and all of its contents. If a directory name contains spaces, place the name inside quotation marks. For example, to copy a directory named project files into backup, run the following command. cp space recursive option space project files directory name in quotes space backup. The quotation marks tell Linux that project space files is one directory name. Remember that the lowercase r option is required when copying a directory and everything inside it. Without the recursive option, the cp command does not copy directories. That is how you copy directories recursively in Linux. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Linux tutorials.